For movement towards real health, we need to raise our level of consciousness by first bringing two and then all three of our centers to function together. When they work together, we are free from our crystallizations, all of which are formed when we function with only one part. You become healthier when you connect to the instinctive nature of your body, the natural presence in your feelings, and to consciousness, instead of the ordinary associative thought process of the mind. When body, mind, and feelings are united, we become more vital. Our body is created by the unified intelligence of existence. The intelligence that created our body knows how to revitalize it. We don't, especially when we function with only one or two of our centers. The architect of the body has to be awakened. The architect makes us healthy from within.